On-demand device training. RealWear device users have access to 24/7 on-demand training directly from their RealWear device. Simply say My Training to access the training application. You'll notice on the training application there are 4 topics to choose from, and these are essential to get you up and running, learning how to use your new RealWear device. The first topic covers how to wear. This will walk you through a tutorial of how to find your dominant eye and make sure that you're wearing your RealWear device properly. The second topic is voice commands. This will walk you through a basic tutorial of how to use your voice commands to navigate through the device. The third topic is choosing your language, making sure that you're choosing the right language to use your voice navigation with. And the final topic is getting connected. So if you haven't already got connected to Wi-Fi, this tutorial will walk you through how to select your wireless network. Thanks for joining, and we hope you check out the My Training application on your RealWear device. Navigate home.